This is why I thought you guys were, attractive, because and you guys put on the Melaninated Beach Day, and I saw several leaders there, all these different people in leadership positions that were doing things in their communities, and you almost wouldn't have thought that you guys have put it on with so much power on your own, and you're showing that you are proactive in the community, showing this beautiful Black love and Black family and togetherness and business and blending them all together. But you're also facilitating this, foundation or grounding for other couples and other people in the safe space of non-competitiveness and just unity.
Position to be able to facilitate that for other people, and other people do the same for me, such as yourself. Everybody that comes together collectively, it just makes it that much better. And the more we get together, the more I know how.
People want to bond together, but I don't think everyone understands that. Like, how do we continue to show people that we're not trying to compete against each other, we're trying to build together? How does that work?
Growing, you see the elders like Dinon and these type of people already putting in the works. So it's almost like when you're around them, you start to see what they do, and you just pick up, and it just falls into place. It's almost like they lead you and guide you, and then your time, for some reason, just, it aligns.
You're just always there at facilitating upbuilding of a community, in a very humble way though, which is, I think, is a unique gift, because most people are, they walk around loud, proud, and it's a certain thing, they're almost irritating, honestly.
I just say, just each individual do their part, and come with humility. Yeah, come with the mindset of knowing the importance of what it is for the future. Even the children are watching, everyone's watching. So just like I was in the position of being the youth, watching these older elders do it, now I'm in this position, and I just know that at this point I have to lay it right so the kids can follow right into it. Continue the Melaninated Beach Day, continue Fountain Roots, continue being outdoors, and teaching them about the elements, about food, plants, all those things. That's what we're